Binks. Ari.
Just lost her fiance in Iraq.
Binks. And there goes Ari. She don't like Binks too much. Oh, what was that?
Alright, I get that you don't like it, but what? She said, tell me. She killed herself before they find out. A little hard. Did not commit suicide, she was murdered.
Binks! Hi! Hello!
That's what you're gonna help me find out.
Hello! And Ari. And they're staying away from each other. My daddy, my daddy. They are fighting over daddy today.
Group session, so not much.